I am here today at 277 Spaulding Street here in Burlington, North Carolina. I cannot wait for you to check out this new listing that I have coming up in the Cove at Mackintosh. Come on, let's go check it out. This over 2,600 square foot house is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath with a primary on the main with its own ensuite. There is a formal dining room and open floor plan here. And there's a bonus upstairs. Oh, and don't forget, there's a double garage. Not only is this house super amazing, you have got to come check out these amazing facilities that they have here at Mackintosh on the Lake. It's like resort living. You've got volleyball, basketball, tennis courts, a state-of-the-art pool, you've got a gym, and a clubhouse to boot with endless supplies of walking trails and sidewalks. I hoped you liked your tour of 277 Spaulding Street and the amenities that they have here at Mackintosh on the Lake. If you've got any questions, you can call or email me.